everyone, welcome to #Twinchy Thursday, hosted by Janet K at Crafts and Tea with Janet K. As you can see, I've just used packaging and I've layered up book pages and music paper on the top, and these are going to be my bases. Just going to now trim them down to 2 inches square, which is Twinchy size. There we go, all cut up, ready to decorate. So it made quite a few, and I'm going to show you the easiest, quickest way to make some grungy Twinches. Okay, so there you go. Grab your grungy scraps and just make little piles on top. That's all I've done. So I've inked around each of the squares just to give them a bit of definition. I've gone into my scraps bin and put about 3 pieces on the top of each of these, and I'm just putting a staple through the middle. No gluing, no sewing, just a staple. Look at that. Bit of doily on this one. It feels like cheating. That brown packing paper, bit of fabric, and a bit of a piece of doily, all from scraps. I've been making a few grungy journals, so I've got loads of bits and pieces left. So there we go. So you don't need massive focal points. Remember, your squares are only 2 inches, so any little ticket, a little embellishment will fit on just perfectly. These little sayings are arty maze, so we're just going to glue them on, cover up the staple, get rid of the bit of glue that's come off, and I think they're going to be just perfect when I decide where I'm going to put them. Oh, I've got tickets. That's a Halloween I can't say it, apothecary label. I think these are from Arty Maze as well, these little circles. I think that's a Tim Holtz one, another little ticket. And there you go, done. So I'm just going to glue all these on. And there you go. Quick, simple and grungy. Thanks for watching, guys. Head over to Janet K and see who else has joined in this week. Bye for now.